rocking with your girl, Sharonda Royalty. Tonight we're gonna do a mukbang. Mukbang. Yes, I said it correctly, a mukbang. Chicken mukbang. We have chicken legs and we got chicken strips. Yeah. Well, tonight my boys, they're gonna join us. He's joining me tonight, and my little one. They're joining me with this mukbang. So, you know, yeah. So, let them know who he is.
Anyways, she took my intro as you saw my mouth open. Okay. But what's up, YouTube? Back again with your boy, Yellow Boy. Yeah, we on this channel eating just fried chicken, man. Just eating fried chicken, drumsticks, chicken strips.
It's a mukbang.
Mukbang, ain't no mukbang. Mukbang.
Mukbang. How do you want to?
Mukbang.
How do you say it? It's in luck.
Mukbang. Anywho, I'm Lil Whip.
I'm Yellow Boy.
Sharonda Royalty.
Anyways, so yeah, what we waiting on? We just gonna get started eating this chicken.
Yeah, so like y'all let us know down in the comments down below, how do y'all like cook y'all chicken? Do y'all like it battered with a lot of flour? Do y'all like to, you know, mix your flour with cornstarch, baking soda, you know? Just let us know in the comments down below. But yeah, we got to get to this chow time. I got me some Chinese sweet garlic sauce. Yeah.
You about to do it?
Yeah.
What?
Fine.
Ma'am.
Come and fish him a fine in the sun. Mother's son, yeah, he got them. Good, so we got to show them what this is. So y'all can go to the store. I purchased this at Winn-Dixie. It's a sweet chili garlic sauce. You know. I hope y'all can read it. If it's too far back, I'm sorry. It's not close up enough. Come in. Show them what we eating tonight. Who you know? Show them. Let them know what we eating tonight.
They eating fried chicken, so you know, get it straight out the store, right? Same like in the grocery store. You can locate it to Winn-Dixie, Walmart, anything you can get. Fry it with some. What do you fry it with, DJ? Not gonna answer my question.
This good, y'all. Like seriously.
We don't know anywhere, so I'll be.
Y'all like fried chicken the most, or barbecue or grill? Look at the chicken.
Comment down below.
It's just spicy sauce, man. Ooh. Let's go eat it more.
They like their sauce spicy. I don't personally. I like a sweet, a little tad of sweet. I mean spicy, but that's it. I don't like a lot of spicy food though. So, how many of y'all like spicy food? And what type of chilies do y'all like to eat? Jalapeno, serrano. They got habanero. Now, what chili do y'all like to eat? So what was interesting today, y'all? What y'all did today?
I recorded myself creating the description.
Tell them. Tell them. Tell them.
Today, I record myself playing Create Destruction. It's a game like Fortnite, but the opposite.
And you know me, I was playing PUBG in the room.
But anyway, me, I took my little lady to her appointment today. Cooked a little bit of breakfast, took it to her, you know, like a daily routine. Gotta make sure she eats. Then came back to the house and did a little extra things, you know, cleaning and stuff like that. You know.
What I have done today.
I don't eat all my chicken from the bone. I'm sorry. Whoever, please don't get mad at me because I do not eat all my meat from the bone. That's just how it is. But my sons do. I don't.
What I have done today was,
Look, y'all, just look.
can I explain? Nah. Mother.
Hold on, I gotta. Don't y'all want to see this goodness? Step in y'all there.
Sure,
Y'all better go. Y'all better go get
Miss
some of this.
Sharonda Royalty, can I explain what happened today?
Look at that chicken, all glazed up.
Never get it.
Watch this,
Whenever
watch
she gets time.
Watch this, watch when I bite in there.
What I have done today was, I have cleaned out food. Putting water in it now. And just got there frying this chicken. I'm the one who cooked the chicken.
He gotta take all the credit.
It's true. And yeah.
He can cook for y'all. All my boys know how to cook. So, that's a plus. I mean, I do have a son. When he cooks, cause it be smoky in the house, but the food still come out. Especially with fries. But he can cook.
And the big busting.
The chicken make it bad. I'm telling y'all, please go out and get you some sweet chili sauce. Y'all will not regret, I promise you. You want to try it right now? Alright. No, try it right now. You got to tell me so hot. See, my son, he's such a gentleman. He brought us some napkins. What's our drink? I got me a sun kiss.
I got me a brisk.
I got me a
I love sun
tea,
kiss.
ice.
And I got me a Pole Pop Mountain Dew.
Yeah. Do y'all comment down below if y'all do y'all cook late at night? Do y'all cook late at night? Like, will y'all wake up literally at 11 o'clock and food is on your mind? Will y'all go and cook you something to eat? I will. I like eggs. I'm country. So I like eggs, bread, with mayonnaise and mustard on my bread. He over here asking me who cook on it. You or Frank? Christian or Frank? Look, he trying to show off his chicken, y'all. But yeah, my boys can cook. Yeah. Y'all comment down below also and let us know what y'all would like us to do next. Any challenges, any foods that y'all would like us to try or try to eat. For instance, like anything that's nasty that y'all put together and still we up to eat it.
Peanut butter, onion, and jelly.
Oh wow. Oh God, that's food sound nasty. That's not
Watch
real
this, guys.
nasty.
Pause, Daniel. Gonna keep him here for a long time.
Word. My own word.
Pause, Mom. I'm paused.
Who?
Well,
Oh.
That's that pause challenge.
I hope y'all don't do with me.
How y'all do that thing? Wait, let me see. How you do it? You did? You go like this? Go like this?
Some people going like this.
I don't know how to do it, y'all. Y'all show me how to do it.
Some people going like this.
Oh.
It's like this. It be like, I don't know. It's
It
weird.
look cool. I wanna learn it. You know, that little whip or what's it called?
The woe.
Oh, the whoa.
Whoa.
Now that-
Pause.
Oh, girl. Good. Y'all just look. Just look at it. It's so delicious. So good.
Who was getting spicy, y'all?
It really is.
Woo!
It gets spicy a
It
lot.
was sinking down to the bottom. I don't deal with that spicy, y'all.
It's not getting spicy.
Woo!
What?
Ooh. This chicken make you dance,
Another
y'all.
one.
With the sauce. Ha ha! I let it dance. I promise. Make it move. Damn.
You get hot. Hot.
No, I'm not.
It's good.
I could.
So we put a whole bottle of hot sauce and a whole bottle of honey
Oh my god.
and
5%.
some of this right here. Bow! It's good, but it's hot.
Go around.
Okay, guys, you see you in the next video. Hope you like
We're
it.
gonna
Put
see y'all in
thumbs
the
up.
next video. Put a thumbs up, like it, comment down below, and subscribe to the page. Peace.